కంగ్రాచులేషన్ మహేష్. ఫస్ట్ మీరు ఆర్కిటెక్చర్ అండ్ ప్లానింగ్ దాంట్లో ఫస్ట్ ర్యాంక్ ఈ సెట్లో రావడం అనేది చాలా గొప్ప విషయం. అంటే ఎట్లా వచ్చింది, మీకు ఎలా సాధ్యమైంది?
I actually gave this attempt 2 years ago also, and I had gotten the 5th rank in the state. But at that time I was pregnant and I was about to give birth, so I couldn't take admission. And now after I've been working as a researcher since 2 years, and now seeing everybody around me in academics and being motivated by my parents to pursue higher education, and even I want to further go into academics, into teaching and into research. So that's why I was really passionate about doing my master's this year.
What about your family background?
So my parents both are educators. My father is been an educator since the past 15 years, and they both have been my motivation to study. So they've both been my motivation to study, and I've seen them every day working hard, and I've seen them persevering in whatever they do, and I think that is one quality that I learned, to make schedules, to be passionate about whatever I do, to observe what is around me. I did my Bachelor's of Architecture from Jawaharlal Nehru Architecture and Finance University, and I had gotten in through NATA, and I had previously scored 14th rank in NATA as well, and I did my Bachelor's from 2015 to 2020.
What is your specialization in the graduation?
It was a Bachelor's in Architecture, so it is a 5-year course, and I passed with first class with distinction in my batch.
What you are planning?
Yeah, so now that I've gotten a good rank, so hopefully I'll get into Jawaharlal Nehru Architecture and Finance University, and I have two options over there. Either I can do an MArch in environmental design, or I can do MTech, that would be in urban and regional planning, or in energy and sustainable built environment. Right now I'm considering my options in energy and sustainable built environment, because the current sustainable development goals that we have to fulfill, it is a really lucrative market, and I want to learn more about it.
Meaning of the architecture, what is the planning?
So architecture is basically designing spaces. So we design from residences to commercial spaces to urban spaces. Again, it is a collaboration between engineering and art. So we learn about sensibilities in art, and there's also a part of it which is about making us feel better. It is about human environments. It is about development, and I think it is very closely related to planning as well. And planning again deals with the human settlements. It deals with transportation planning. It deals with urban planning or regional planning.
Are you did projects, any projects?
So I did work as an architect only during my internship, which was in the final year of my architecture. To design a few spaces, I've worked on elevation designs. I've worked on urban. I've been a part of conservation projects as well. My main interest has been in research studies. I've worked as a research assistant for different research scholars since when I was studying my graduation. Since my 3rd year in architecture itself, I had worked for an international student from University of Toronto, and then I had worked with another international student from University of Oregon. And after I finished my graduation, I took a break for a year. I got married and I had a baby, and then I went on to work for an architect here, architect Aparna Pidakar, and I've been working with her since more than 2 years as her research assistant. At the same time, I am also trying to work in projects at her firm. So architecture is a profession of passion. So architecture comes from a place of passion. So when you observe your surroundings and when you are passionate about how things work, how the environment works, and on doing it, you keep on perfecting your craft. And there are several areas. You can go to academics, you can go into research, you can also go into practice of architecture, and yeah.
తర్వాత ఇప్పుడు ఈ ఆర్కిటెక్చర్ చేసిన తర్వాత ఉపయోగం ఏముంటాయి? ఇంకా మనకు పీజీ అయిపోయిన తర్వాత మరి రాబోయే స్టూడెంట్స్కి ఎటువంటి యూజెస్ ఉంటాయి, తర్వాత ఎటువంటి జాబ్లు వస్తాయి మనకు అనేది చెప్పండి.
So, an advantage with architecture is that you can choose a profession in any of the fields, like in any design field, you can scale up and you can join any field. At the same time, you have a very advantageous opportunity that you can start your own firm, you can start your own practice, because I think this profession gives you the confidence, and it teaches you a lot about the market. It teaches.
How many siblings you?
I have two brothers. My older brother is a lawyer, and my younger brother is currently he's pursuing law.
ఏంటం?
He's also pursuing law.
లా.
Yeah.
ఓకే. బట్ నెక్స్ట్ ఏమేంటి మీరు అంటే ఆర్కిటెక్చర్లోనే వెళ్తారా, ఇంకేమైనా వేరే కాంపిటేటివ్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ ఏమైనా ప్రిపేర్ అవుతారా, అట్లాంటివి ఏమైనా ప్లాన్స్?
So I have been preparing for competitive exams, and I did attempt Group 1 previously, and I have qualified, and I have written other groups as well, and I have qualified those exams. I have been interested in public sector and policy making. Right now my main focus is to work in research, so that can be possible if I do my masters, if I enter academics, and that's the reason why I want to do my MR or MTech.
ఇప్పుడు మనం ప్రస్తుతం చేసే జాబ్కు దీనికి ఏమైనా రిలవెంట్ ఉంది
Yeah.
మీరు
So, yeah, right now I'm working as a researcher, and it is a project by architect Aparna Vidarbha. It's her own PhD project, and I've been working on this since 2 years. And the whole process of research, where you question reality, where you question the things that are happening around you, and you try to find a route to it. You try to find a way to solve those problems, to solve those issues. You look at other people, what they are developing. That has really motivated me to go down this path.
చెప్పాల్సిన పిల్లలకి ఏమైనా చెప్పాల్సిన మీరు మన గైడెన్స్?
Guidance, I think I would like to thank first of all my family, because this is not just my own achievement, it's a teamwork. So it has been my parents' support, it's been my friends' support, my boss Aparna Vidarbha, she has also supported me a lot through this whole thing. And I think it is about passion, it is about creating an environment for yourself where you are aware of what you want and what you like, and when you like something, you look for it everywhere and you observe the world in that lens, and I think the universe makes it possible after that.
ఓకే. మీ ఫాదర్ ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తారు?
My father is an educator now. And he's been
లేదండి జాబ్ అని
job.
చేస్తున్నారు
Yeah.
దేంట్లో?
He's a school principal.
స్కూల్ ప్రిన్సిపల్. ఓకే, కంగ్రాచులేషన్స్ అమ్మ. మీ పాప ఫస్ట్ ర్యాంక్ సాధించడం ఈ ఆర్కిటెక్చర్లో మీకు ఎలా అనిపిస్తుంది?
Thank you, sir. I am really very proud of her. She is an excellent child with a brilliant mind. She is very intelligent since she was small. She had a good education also, and her memory power is very great. In everything, whatever she does, she excels herself. She is a perfectionist, actually.
How many hours is she studying?
Normally, she studies up to 5 to 6 hours per day. During exams, also she prepares well.
Okay, thank you. Congratulations. First, your sister got a architecture first rank.
Yeah.
How is he feeling?
Very happy. Like I expected this much marks from her, but I did not expect that she will get first rank. So I'm very happy with my sister. I think she can do anything if she wills. She can do anything. She can achieve anything. Like she has to believe in herself. She can achieve anything.
What is your pursuing?
I'm currently pursuing law. Then I'm planning to write a JCC exam. to become a judge. My dream is to become a judge.
Oh, judge. Oh, good ambition. How can you prepare?
Basically, you have to have the basics right. If you study the basics right, foundation is good, then anything you can do easily.
Which college you are studying in LLB? LLB or you before?
I have to join the college.
Hmm?
I wrote law set this year,
L- hmm.
but I have to select the college in counseling,
Hmm.
not yet selected.
Hmm. How much rank?
I got 100 rank.
100 rank. Now, ఈ ఆర్కిటెక్చర్లో ఫస్ట్ ర్యాంక్ రావడం ఎలా ఫీల్ అవుతున్నారు? ఆమె చదువు ఏ విధంగా ఉన్నది చెప్పాలి.
నాకు చాలా గర్వంగా ఫీల్ అవుతున్నాను. మా అమ్మాయి ఇంత అచీవ్మెంట్ చేస్తుందని మేము ఆమె చాలా ఇంటెలిజెంట్ ముందు నుంచే, అయినా కానీ ఇంత వస్తుందని మేము అనుకోలేదు. అయితే షీ ఈజ్ డూయింగ్ హార్డ్ వర్క్, షీ ఈజ్ వెరీ డెడికేటెడ్ టు హర్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్. షీ ఈజ్ ఫస్ట్ we thought that everything actually we give to her only. Our choice only she is take to that architecture and she is done on that. వాళ్ళకి ఏది ఇష్టం ఉందో వాళ్ళ ఇష్టం ఉందో తీసుకున్నాడు కాబట్టి ఆమె అంత కష్టపడి చదివి ఇంత మంచి ర్యాంక్ ఇచ్చింది. కాబట్టి నేను చాలా సంతోషంగా ఉన్నాను. అందరికీ చెప్పేది ఏమన్నా మీ పిల్లలకు మీరు ఫోర్స్ చేయొద్దు, వాళ్ళకు ఏది కావాల్సిందో వాళ్ళకి ఇచ్చేయండి. వాళ్ళకి ఇష్టమైన సబ్జెక్ట్ తీసుకొని వాళ్ళు చదివితే దే విల్ అచీవ్ ద పాయింట్.
అంటే మీరు యాజ్ ఏ ఒక ప్రిన్సిపల్గా చేస్తున్నారు, ప్రైవేట్ కాలేజ్లో ఇది చేస్తున్నారు కదా, మీ పిల్లలకి ఎటువంటి గైడెన్స్ ఇవ్వలేదా? వాళ్ళకి వాళ్ళు చదువుతున్నారు, మీరు ఏమైనా గైడెన్స్ ఇచ్చారు?
మేమైతే సార్ హై స్కూల్ వరకు మేము వాళ్ళకి గైడెన్స్ చేశాము. తర్వాత నుంచి వాళ్ళకు దే హ్యావ్ టు టేక్ దేర్ ఓన్ డెసిషన్స్. ఎందుకంటే పెద్దలు ఫోర్స్ ఉంటే వాళ్ళు ఏం చేస్తారంటే దే డిపెండ్ ఆన్ అస్ ఓన్లీ. దే డి నాట్ టేక్ ఎనీ డెసిషన్ తీసుకోలేరు, తర్వాత ప్రాబ్లం అవుతుంది వాళ్ళకు. అందుకోసం వాళ్ళ ఓన్ డెసిషన్ మీద వదిలేసాము. దే ఆర్ టేకింగ్ కేర్ ఆఫ్ దేర్ దెమ్సెల్స్ and they showing their result also. This is very happy for us, for our family.